Welcome aboard episode 5 of our Genting Dream Cruise video series. Today, we're delving into how to make the most of your day 2 afternoon on the cruise, especially if you are not into gambling. Don't worry, we've got you covered with a plethora of entertainment options to ensure you have a fantastic time. Let's dive right in and discover the diverse array of activities and experiences waiting for you on board. Stick around until the end of the video, because we're heading to a crew talent show that promises to be an absolute blast. You won't want to miss the incredible performances and the chance to cheer on the talented crew members who make our cruise experience truly exceptional. So grab your popcorn and get ready for a showcase of talent that will leave you cheering for more. As our Genting Dream Cruise sets sail from Port Dickson, I've got exciting news for all you shopaholics out there. The duty-free shop is now open for business on board. Whether you're looking for souvenirs, gifts, or indulgent treats for yourself, now's the perfect time to explore the duty-free offerings. For those moments when you just want to kick back and relax, don't forget that you can always retreat to the comfort of your room. Even if you are not treated to an island view from your balcony, there's still plenty to enjoy. Take time to unwind and appreciate the serene sights and sounds of the open sea. Whether you're savoring a hot cup of coffee, or simply taking in the gentle sway of the ocean, your balcony provides the perfect private sanctuary. Why not head up to floor 16 for a refreshing exploration around the swimming pool area? But remember, while you're soaking up the sun and enjoying the poolside ambience, it's crucial to stay mindful of the hot weather. Be sure to stay hydrated, apply sunscreen regularly, and take breaks in the shade to avoid overexposure to the sun's rays. So grab your sunscreen, your favorite swimsuit, and get ready for some fun in the sun on floor 16.
妹这边后面。
Looking for some fun and friendly competition? How about a game of mini golf on board the Genting Dream Cruise? Looking to break a sweat and unleash your competitive spirit? How about a thrilling game of table tennis on board the Genting Dream Cruise? For all adventurers out there seeking an adrenaline rush, look no further than the rock climbing wall and other exhilarating challenges on board. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Challenge yourself further with other heart-pounding activities like ziplining, rope courses, or even surfing on the ship's Flowrider simulator. Looking for some classic entertainment with a modern twist? How about hitting the lanes for a game of bowling on board the Genting Dream Cruise? Gather your friends and family, lace up your bowling shoes, and get ready for some friendly competition in the ship's state-of-the-art bowling alley. How about unwinding with a leisurely game of pool on the Genting Dream Cruise? With the smooth surface of the table, the satisfying clack of the balls, and the camaraderie of fellow passengers, a game of pool is the perfect way to relax and socialize while at sea. Whether you're aiming for a strike, sparing those tricky splits, or simply enjoying the thrill of the game, bowling on board promises hours of laughter and excitement for players of all ages. So grab your ball, line up your shot, and let the good times roll as you bowl your way to victory on the Genting Dream Cruise.
Wow!
When hunger strikes, why not treat yourself to a delightful dinner at the Chinese restaurant on board the Genting Dream Cruise? Step into a world of culinary excellence and indulge your taste buds with an array of authentic Chinese dishes prepared by talented chefs. From savory stir-fries to succulent seafood and flavorful dim sum, the restaurant offers a tantalizing selection sure to satisfy your cravings. Whether you're dining with family, friends, or that special someone, the warm ambience and impeccable service make for an unforgettable dining experience. So take a seat, peruse the menu, and embark on a culinary journey through the rich flavors of China at the onboard Chinese restaurant on the Genting Dream Cruise.
OK。
As the day on the Genting Dream Cruise draws to a close, don't miss out on the final event, the crew talent show at the Zodiac Theater. Arrive early to secure a prime seat and get ready to be entertained by the incredible talents of the ship's crew members. From singing and dancing to comedy and more, this 45-minute showcase promises to be a highlight of your cruise experience. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show as the talented crew members take center stage and dazzle you with their skills. It's the perfect way to end your day on a high note, so don't miss out on this unforgettable performance at the Zodiac Theater. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Crew Talent Show at the Zodiac Theater on board the Genting Dream Cruise. Get ready to be amazed and entertained as our talented crew members showcase their skills and passion for performance. Without further ado, let's dive into a portion of the show right here.
To know you always tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. A million times I've asked you, and then I ask you over, and here you only answer, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. If you can make your mind up, we'll never get started. Some people live for your fortune. Some people live just for the fame. 꿈은 내 말과 세상은 내게 Choice to find hate sunlight more solid. Singing, he won't be
Alright, that's the end of today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please help by liking, sharing, and subscribing so you'll be notified for the next video. Hope to see you again soon.